This is styled to perfection, just arrived. 2023 23 plate Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE D300. But it's the interior. Full black pack on this car, by the way. Delivery miles, 700 miles. Registered on the 31st of March. So it's as new, but look at this interior. This is what's going to sell it for me. The Eiger Grey exterior with the cloud and ebony interior. It is absolutely wonderful. The technology in this car is outstanding for sure. But it's that interior against the exterior that will sell it with the sliding glass roof. This is a stunning, stunning car. 300 horsepower, 3-litre diesel. Price to sell as well. Wonderful price on this one with a full black exterior starting plaque. Things like mud flaps are options, red calipers, the black pack giving it the black badges, the grille, all the black sections throughout the front end of this car, including the bonnet inserts, the wing inserts. And then let's look at these wheels. SV Bespoke 22-inch wheels. Two-tone because they've got a satin and a polished finish to them with the red braking calipers. I think that looks great, doesn't it? The red against the grey and the black. It's stunning. Gloss black roof, privacy glass. You'll see the mud flaps as well. They are an option on this car, but it's so modern all round, from the flush door handles to the LED front and rear lights. The black finisher across the back with the black badging, black sport badges, high-level brake light. Of course, these cars come in with all the space you'll ever need, from the boot space, air suspension, electric folding rear seat, assisted tailgate, and then into the back. The colour of this interior is wonderful. So let's look at the key features. So you've got the new Meridian the Meridian stereo system with this lovely darkened, polished chrome effect throughout the car. You've got reclining rear seats, but look at those seats at the back, the black section through the middle. The cloud is wonderful, and the sunroof, it's beautiful. Heated rear seats as well. And then again, the finishes into the door. So we've got standard features on these cars now, like the adaptive cruise with blind spot assist, like heated steering wheel, the Pivi Pro interface with a 13.1-inch touchscreen. It is a wonderful car to sit in and drive. Honestly, these cars drive fabulously well. 300 horsepower. This one being a Dynamic SE, it has loads and loads of features. It's just a great car. So jumping in, obviously now the technology is out of this world in these cars. Again, let's look at the finishes into the door. So we've got memory seats for driver and passenger. Look at that chrome, dark and chrome effect. So classy. Meridian sound system. Again, the chrome effect going through the dashboard. But then this is what I love, this duotone interior. So the black dash at the top, then the duotone steering wheel. So black exterior, just so you don't get it all marked with that cloud line through there. Cloud center, Windsor leather as well. Keyless entry, keyless start, and starting it up, Pivi Pro interface. So you've got full digital switchable interface behind the steering wheel. If you look at the steering wheel, we've got heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise with lane assist, Bluetooth and voice controls, wireless smartphone integration, navigation, Bluetooth, media interface, all your four-wheel drive settings, weight sensor. The car is a great off-road and on-road vehicle. But then it's the camera system that people love on these cars. Very crisp and clear, this screen. Obviously big, being the 13.1 inch, so it's great to use. 3D camera, top view camera, reversing camera, and it's just a wonderful operating system, whether you're using it in the Sport, the Defender, or the new Range Rover Discovery as well. Bit crisper in the new Range Rover and the Sport though, updated slightly, very easy to use. You've got heated front seats by pushing the climate control and twisting the jog, push it again, go back into your digital climate control. I love that. Heated front and rear screens, obviously your four-wheel drive and terrain, different settings by pulling out the jog here, keyless start, short shift gearbox. Everything is wonderful in this car. It is brand new. Like I say, warranty with Land Rover for just short of 3 years. The car's only days old really, and it's a combination of the interior to the exterior to the wheels that'll sell the car. My name is Richard, my number's on the screen. Please call me about this wonderful Range Rover Sport. Thanks for watching.